Hey friends, I've got to tell you about this amazing piece of equipment, the rotary carbonization furnace. It operates with high efficiency and stability. The unique drum design allows for a more uniform heating process. As it runs, it can handle large-scale carbonization tasks with ease. During its operation, it can turn various raw materials into valuable carbon products. Whether it's wood, bamboo, or other biomass materials, this furnace can transform them effectively. It is also very easy to operate for beginners. If you are interested in the carbonization machine, please feel free to contact me.